is our new camera that was built here at Missouri State University, and it's called GT Cam, and the T stands for Tricolor. We have 3 different CCDs on here, and each of them see a different color. And so we mount this on a telescope, and the telescope actually goes down here, so the instrument is actually upside down. And we use this to look at stars that are vibrating, and those vibrations have different colors. And so what we do is the light comes in through the bottom as just regular light, as you would see stars normally. So the light comes in through this hole here, so the telescope would be down below, and all the light passes through this way, and this filter here only allows the red light to pass, so the red light passes and bounces off this mirror and goes into this camera. And then the rest of the light goes in this direction, and so the green light passes through this filter and into this camera. And the remaining light, which is violet and ultraviolet, goes this way and goes into this camera. So we have a red camera, a green camera, and a violet and ultraviolet camera. And by observing the stars using these 3 different colors, the vibrations actually have a color dependence to them. And so when we look at the stars vibrating, we actually see those vibrations in 3 different ways. And so those vibrations actually tell us what's going on inside of the star, which is a part of the star we can't actually see. So we see the outsides, but by using this instrument, we can measure the insides. Just like on Earth, we use seismology via earthquakes to determine what the inside of the Earth is like. We use seismology of stars, using their vibrations, to find out what's going on the inside. We use this camera at national telescopes in New Mexico and in Arizona. So we pack this up and we take it there with us. We mount it on the back of a very large telescope so we can see very faint stars and divide up the light in 3 different ways. Students are using this. Students actually helped to design it and construct it. And in our last trip in January, we had 2 students going with us, and they learned how to use it and operate it, and they're now working on processing the data as well.